As the construction continues at Lincoln High School, our student drop-off and pickup procedures will change for the 2026-2027 school year. Students and parents arriving at the school in the morning should enter through the main entrance on Hart Street. As you approach the school, there will be 2 lanes. The right lane is for the parents to drop off their students. Please pull forward as far as possible before your student exits the vehicle. Do not park or leave your vehicle in this lane. The left lane is to be used by students who are driving to school and visitors who need to park. Students who drive to school should continue to park in parking lot B and C just as they have in previous years. Please keep in mind the first 2 rows of parking spaces are reserved for parents picking up kids in the afternoon. When leaving campus in the morning, all vehicles should use the exit that connects to Richard Bauer Drive. The bus entrance will be closed and inaccessible to students and parents. In the afternoon, parents picking up students should enter through the main entrance on Hart Street and park in parking lot B. If all reserved spaces are occupied, you are welcome to park in any available space in parking lot B or C. Please do not park along the curb during dismissal. Parents and students will exit the parking lot using the drive that leads to Richard Bauer Drive. For everyone's safety, all vehicles must turn left onto Richard Bauer when leaving campus. Right turns are prohibited. Officers with the Vincennes Community School Corporation Police Department will be on site to help direct traffic and assist drivers with these new procedures. Thank you for your patience and understanding as we work together to keep everyone safe.